Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this perfect jump filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in your trending section, go to your trending section and look for this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in your trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for perfect jump. Okay, this is a popular filter with 599.8k videos. Come on it, the first one. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search. What you can do, go to your for you page and here search for perfect jump filter. Okay, on the top row you'll see the effect icon. You can tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you can't see the effects here, you can tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, it's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Just tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. Okay, let's try it. Okay, tap on the record button. Let's jump from here to field. Let's try again. From here. Come on. Maybe from here. Okay, not bad. Yes, nailed it. Okay, so that's it guys. Try this.